What's up, buddies? It's Beaver, and I am back again with another video of 6 spicy AI tools which are totally free. So let's go. Coming at number 1, we have Aiva AI, in which you can generate your own music with zero knowledge by selecting sounds from the list or chord progression. You can generate different chords or choose styles from the editor. You can also choose different radio stations, and even if you don't know anything, you can also watch video tutorials for it. Coming at number 2, we have Perplexity AI. This is simply ChatGPT, but free. You can search different topics about anything, or you can also upload documents which it can read from, so you can make notes. You can also search images, videos about topics you search on Google from this AI. Now at number 3, we have Runway AI, in which you can do various tasks. For example, you can generate video from text, maybe not 100% accurate, but you can also generate audio from text, lip sync videos, or image variations. Next is number 4. It's called Unscreen AI. It's simply a background remover for videos, in which you can easily remove backgrounds from videos you like with no effort. You can also change the background from given ones, or you can upload a custom one. Now at number 5, we have Adobe Podcast AI, in which you can remove background noise from audio. This is the best one in the market right now. It also enhances your voice, so it attracts the users. Last one is number 6. It is Nova Video Editor. It's available in web app, in which you can edit your videos in any aspect ratio you want, like Instagram, YouTube, or more. You can also use stock media directly from it. You can add subtitles manually, or you can upload file. There are many templates in it which you can edit. It also has elements and filters like Canva, so you don't have to download them separately. So, this is the end of video, and these were some AI tools. If you like them, please subscribe the channel and like the video.